Suppose you want to take a screenshot of the entire web page. How will you do that? One of the ways is to download any add-on or plugin, but there are security concerns because each of these add-ons they capture some data and they send it to their developer. So it's much better to find a native way of doing that. So in the Chrome browser, there is option of doing that. So now let's explore how to take the screenshot. First of all, you have to go to inspect element. So just go to inspect by right clicking and then click on this three dots and click on run command. Here you can just type screenshot and there are four options. One is capture area screenshot, which will take the screenshot of the visible area. Second is capture full size screenshot, that is the full page screenshot. Very amazing. Let's click on the capture screenshot first, and if you'll click, what you see is whatever the visible area was is now saved as a screenshot. So what is the other way? So largely we are concerned about full page screenshot because that is mostly what we require. So if you click on it, it will save a file of complete page. So it will save it as an image, and if you click on it, it will show you the complete page. So the file would be very heavy because in Mac PNG files are created. Not too sure what is the file format of Windows based screenshots, but just in case it is JPEG, it would be really light. So this screenshot would be of the size 7 MB but very high quality. So this is how you take a screenshot of entire page using the native feature of Google Chrome. All you have to do is just go to inspect element by right clicking and go to inspect, and after that a window will open over here or either in the bottom. Just click on the three dots over here and click on run command. Over there you will be finding different options. You just have to type screenshot, and once you're done with that, you can just select any of these, preferably this because we want to take this screenshot of full page. So once done, it will save image of complete web page, so you can use it for different purposes as required by you. Thanks so much for watching this tutorial. If you liked it, please subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you didn't, then leave a comment so that we can improve it further. Do watch these suggested tutorials to learn even more, and do let us know what you want to learn on Being Skilled.